Hey guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava, and in today's video, I am going to be making a tie-dye slime. Now, this is probably like my second time making tie-dye slime, so I hope this goes the right way. I am running out of slime glue, so hopefully I have enough. I do have another jug, but all my slime supplies is packed away. I really don't want to get that again. And yeah, but before I get started, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and comment down below video suggestions. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go! Alrighty, so I got all of my stuff here. I got my spoons, my bowls, I got all my colors. Of course, you need the colors. We're going to be putting 3 colors together for this tie-dye. I tried to put on a tie-dye shirt. I couldn't find like my actual tie-dye shirt that we made, so I just threw this one on. And yeah, you could use this as a tutorial, even though this is just my second time making this. But basically what we have to do is we have to make 3 tiny different color slimes, and then we have to add them together once they're all activated. Keep them a little sticky, but we can't mix them together all the way. And I'm not going to package them in a bag. I'm going to put them in this container just so they don't mix as much. I hope that wasn't a bad idea. But yeah, the slimes just have to be tiny. They don't have to be giant. So we should have enough glue. And I'm making this from scratch with my slime supplies, not kit stuff. So hopefully this goes right. So let's just pour a little bit of glue in each bowl, like not maybe like a little more than a tablespoon. Hopefully this all fits in that one container. I might have to split it in half. I don't know, I think I am doing a little bit too much. And then, alright, we have enough glue. Alright. Okay, this is going to be a big slime, I already know it. Alright. Next, okay, so what color should I do? Well, we have to add the baking soda. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Alright, so like I was saying, let me add my baking soda. Just the glue started to drip from the bottle, so I just got a little napkin. So let's just add some baking soda. We only need a little bit to each one. We're just gonna have to like eye it, like, I should get Elmer's Magical Liquid. I had it once, but then I used all of it. Okay, I can use 1 spoon for now to just mix them, but then once we add the colors, of course, I'm gonna have to use like assigned spoons for each bowl. Hopefully this doesn't get glued down to the table. But I was thinking of doing like maybe pink, turquoise, and yellow. I don't know, I just want like tie-dye colors. So we have Lemon Twist, which is yellow. These colors are like very, like, explained good. What am I saying? Like, they have very good names. Yeah. Should we do Cotton Candy or Neon Pink? I want to do Cotton Candy, because Neon Pink is like neon, of course. Wait, do I have a turquoise? Wait, if I don't have a turquoise, I'm gonna do forest green, I guess. Not blue, because I don't think like blue would go that well. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing that forest green. No, I want to do a lighter green though. Like I don't want. Actually, I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna get 2 colors of green. Let's put neon lime. So it'll be a little bit neon-y, which is fine. We always want those bright colors. So let's just add a drop or two. That might have been too much. Alright. Alright. I just added a little bit of each color. Ooh, this yellow is really nice. That might be, okay, I need more yellow. Alright, I will see you guys, since I don't want this video to be too long, I will see you guys once I have all the colors mixed in and I'm ready to activate. Alright guys, I'm all ready to activate. I just, thought of something while I was mixing the last color. I think I'm trying to go for like a spring color or like Easter colors, even though Easter already passed, because like I have yellow, pink, green, and it's almost summertime, like 3 more weeks of school. So yeah, I think that's the theme I'm trying to go for, I guess. But we're just gonna add a little bit of activator. For some reason I bought clear glue to the table before I started this video. I don't know why. I really don't know why I bought clear glue, because I bought the white glue too. If that makes sense. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna activate these. I definitely am gonna have to keep the activator open, and then I'm gonna knead them. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish activating them, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Alrighty guys, so I just kneaded them. They're pretty tiny because if this slime's too big, I won't be able to store it and fit it anywhere. And again, I left them a little sticky, not too sticky, because I have to be able to put them together. But I left them sticky just so when I put them together, it's not all rubbery. So first, so basically what I'm just gonna do is, I'm just gonna it's official, I can't take them apart. I'm just gonna pile them up, and then I'm only gonna mix it like that much. At the end of this video though, they're probably all going to be mixed together, or if they're not off camera in 2 minutes after I finish the outro, they're probably all going to be mixed together because I'm going to be playing with it because it's like a new slime. But it actually looks so cool. Tie-dye slime is so cool. It's one of my favorite slimes. Let me show you guys. Let me just make sure I have no slime on my hands. Look how cool this looks. Doesn't that look so cool? I'm not sure if it's actually tie-dye looking, but I think it's a good tie-dye slime. Alrighty guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please smash that like button. Can we get another one of my videos to 1,000 views? And can we hit 100 subscribers? So here's the final product. There's a lot of yellow, but it's basically already mixed together. It's just gonna be yellow, look, it's already mixed together, because slime is hard to not mix together, and so yeah, I was actually playing with it off camera before I filmed this outro, and yeah, it's just like a yellowish greenish. It looks more green off camera because I can see on the screen it looks very yellow to you guys and tannish, but it is like a greenish yellow. It's not the prettiest color. I might try to dye it pink because it is very good slime. I'm going to be playing this for a while. So yeah guys, make sure you guys smash that like and smash the subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my video. That's the chair. And comment down below more video suggestions. If the comments are turned on, I'm going to turn them off most of the time. Yeah, and till the next time, BYE.